Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Leroy here. I'm so excited to bring y'all this new thing that I done got. One of them monthly bait box subscriptions, the DumBass box. Now this here box is regional, so I got one for Tennessee, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Let's look at it. Always got to carry a knife. Woo, there's some good stuff in here, I can already tell. First up, I've been waiting on some of this. This is worm dirt dip from the Slough Life. It's the only dip on the market that actually has worms in it. So you can get your dip and get your bait at the same time. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah. Look here, guys. Woo! I ain't very lively, but I bet it'll catch a fish. And look at here. You can get you a big old plug of it too. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. And go ahead and put that in here. Let's see what else we got. Woo! Oh, all y'all kids on the internet gonna like this one. Everybody's been wanting some of these. The Goober baits. Got 3 packages of them. Now what's so special about the Goober baits? I tell you what, they look just like regular Senkos. You know why? Because they is. But you use these and you automatically get that feeling like you part of the Goober squad. And ain't no better feeling than being part of the Goober squad. That's what everybody wants nowadays, ain't it? Be tying these on real soon. What else we got? Oh Lord. Now, everybody wants to go catch a pig, right? Well, if you want to catch a pig, you might have to tie on this pig bait. Look at here. This is from Chunker Hunt, the Poppin' Pig. Look at here now. Dual hooks in the back. Good popping action. It even makes noise, making bass mad. And tell me that ain't gonna catch a pig using a pig. Now, last but not least, everybody's loving these new swim baits. The bigger the better, as they say. Well, Savage Target Lures done come out with this one right here. Look at this. Oh Lord. It's the bull bluegill. Now tell me that ain't gonna catch a lunker. Woo! I can't wait to tie this on. Probably gonna have to use my catfish braid for that. But it's gonna catch me a fish, I guarantee it. I appreciate all y'all joining in on my open box. See what's all in there. If y'all interested in getting one of these boxes, be sure you use my code, your boy Leroy, for 5% off. Remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below which favorite lure that come in this month's DumBass box. I want to hear from you. I'll see you next time.
Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets